Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off captions in the TikTok app step by step. So if captions are appearing on your TikTok videos and you want to disable them, then this video will help you out. Make sure to watch this video till the end so you don't miss any steps. Now without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, go to the App Store or Google Play Store and in the search bar type TikTok. Make sure that the TikTok app is updated to the latest version, because sometimes older versions may not show the same settings options. Once you have updated the app, simply open TikTok on your phone. After opening the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your profile page, tap on the three white lines in the top right corner. A menu will appear on your screen. Here you need to tap on Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down until you find the Accessibility option and tap on it. Inside Accessibility settings, you will see an option for captions. Simply tap on it and turn the captions option off. Once you disable it, captions will no longer appear on supported TikTok videos. And that's it. This is how you can easily turn off captions in the TikTok app. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful TikTok tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.